this course, I will introduce the alarm system in NRT. So that's the outline. So first, I will introduce what is the alarm system. So next, I will introduce the step-by-step testing and show the result. So first, I will introduce. So why we need the alarm system? So because our component and the SF is running, but if we haven't the alarm system, we don't know the running status. So we need the alarm system to monitor the status of the running. So alarm system is the system in NRT-RIG. It allows the platform to send an alarm to notify the alert manager and the SNO in VS Corrector. So the alarm system says something happen on SF or a platform. So alarm system function is collect the alarm message from the SF or our platform. So next second test is notify VS Corrector in SMO. So the is belong to the fault management. So the alarm manager provide many API to us, so we can use the API to raise or define our alarm. So alarm is composed of the alarm manager or Prometheus alert manager or VS agent. So it's the alarm system introduction. So next I will introduce the component of alarm system. So the first component is the alarm manager. So it's the manager and the listen alarm coming view IMR or REST interface. So it provides many API, like something like the REST alarm or clear alarm or configuration or define. So it's the alarm manager. So the second function is the interface with alert manager to post the alarm. So the second component is the alert manager. So it's a handle the alert sent by alarm manager and allow them to the VS agent. So VS agent is the VSPA manager process. So it's the convert allow to the VS fault event and send to the VS collector in SMO. So it's the alarm system introduction. So next, I will introduce the flow of the testing step by step and show the result. So, this is the flow of the testing alarm system. So step one, we need to define the alarm message, and the second, we need to raise the alarm. So the third alarm manager receive the raising the alarm, so it's the post alert to the alert manager. So next the alarm manager handle the alert and send them to VS agent is the VSPA manager. So it final is send the fault event to the VS collector. So it's the fourth step. So the step one is the define the alarm. So the format is the alarm differential. So it's the four mandatory parameters. So the first parameter is the alarm ID. So alarm ID is the identifier of the alarm. You need the configuration. So second is the alarm test. Is the description of the error situation. So you need say the error situation. So the third is the event type. The type is the alarm event. Maybe it's like processing error or communication error. So its final parameter is the action instruction. So it's the instruction when the alarm occurs. So it's the message format. So we use the command to post the alarm manager to define the alarm. So maybe it's the example. So you can go in the your alarm differential. So you can get check the alarm differential use this command. So you can see the alarm differential in the alarm manager. So second step is the raise the alarm. So its format is the alarm message have the 7 parameter. So the manager object ID is name of the manager object that is called the fault. So it maybe is the SF or platform component. And the second is the application ID. So it's the name of the process raise the alarm. So maybe it's the process. Okay, so the third is the specific problem. So it's the problem that caused the alarm. So it's seen as the alarm ID and the maybe is okay. So alarm action is the action to perform as the alarm manager. So alarm time is the current system time. So maybe you can use the command sent to the alarm manager. So this is the example value. So you can set the other parameter by yourself. So you can use the command to get your rest the message. So step 3, you can see the alarm manager receive the raising the alarm. It can post the alert to alert manager. So it's the log. You can see the alarm manager posting alert to the alert manager is the message. Okay, so next is the handle alert and send the VS event to the VS collector. You can see it's posting event, fault event to the VS collector is the IPM4. Okay, so it's the successful. So you can finally verify the result in the VS collector in SMO. You can see that figure. So, so anyone have the question?
Tori, thank you. So is this SF running in RIG or in SMO? Can you come back to page 4?
This page or
no, page 4.
Yes.
Page 4.
Okay. Okay.
Because the functional block you show us alarm manager is inside the FM system, right?
Yes.
This the block is FM. FM, if I'm correct, this is fault management.
Yes.
Fault management is part of the function for SMO. So I'm curious whether this SF is this SF or this is RF. I mean, whether this module is inside SMO or inside RIC.
Inside RIC.
I mean, alarm manager is a
Yes.
SF in RIC, or this is a SF RF in SMO.
RF is SMO. Yes. So this is the RT.
Sorry, I think Professor's question is, does alarm manager is XF or RF?
What?
So actually, alarm manager would be a NIRT platform component.
Yes, it's a component, RIC component.
But the function is for management is for SMO, right?
Sorry.
Fault manager. Yes, fault manager is the SMO, but the figure maybe is the say the for the RIC fault manager system for NIRT RIC in here figure.
I think let me explain this. Actually, as you can see, the top is the network management systems. So this block is this block is SMO, and the connection between the FN system and the network management system is the OM interface. So actually, VS agent and OM mediates are in the NIRT platform. So actually, NIRT platforms should support the fault management system. So this figure just show the each components in the NIRT platform. How does this component compose the fault management system?
Okay, thank you.
Okay. If you know nobody some question, I start my sharing.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.